God's creation, just doing its thing, glorifying God right outside.
Yep. It's been there for a long time too.
It doesn't know what's going on.
So what are your thoughts